Hi, Salim here from ManageMate. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to provide feedback or ask a question through ManageMate using our Notes feature. This is instead of sending an email. I'm going to start this tutorial off in a user's email inbox. What I'm showing here is that there's an update from ManageMate where Floyd, the property manager, sent an update to the board. So in this case, the update is about a deficiency report, and the manager asked the board to review the report. So I received this email, and I'm going to have a look to see what my feedback is on the report. So I can see as I scroll down that there are documents linked to this activity. And so I can click on that document by clicking on the file here. You'll see there's a link to a PDF document. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This will open up that document in ManageMate, and then I can review it. So once I've reviewed the report, I can go back to ManageMate in a couple ways. In that update email itself from ManageMate, notice that there's an option to reply in a note. I'm going to go ahead and click on reply in a note here. This will take me to ManageMate, and it takes me to the landing page for the task that the update was provided on. You'll notice that by seeing that you're in the activities section of the application. The title of the task is at the top, Get Deficiency Report from Engineers. And the status update that Floyd shared, our manager, is right in front of you as well. It says, we received the deficiency report from our consulting engineer. Good news, there are only 3 deficiencies, so please review. And notice that the activity notes section is this pane. It's on the right-hand side. And the system has already mentioned Floyd Scott using the @ symbol. So now that I reviewed, I'm just going to give feedback to Floyd. I'm going to say, looks good, nothing major in the deficiency. Let's proceed. And that's my feedback as a board director I want to provide to our manager. So I provide that here in the notes section. Any board director that checks this activity will also see that note. And because I mentioned Floyd, the system already set that up because I hit the reply to note button. Floyd gets an email indicating that, I've left him a note. So I'm going to go back to Floyd's inbox. Notice that there's an email from ManageMate. It says, Floyd mentioned you in Get Deficiency Report from the engineers. And here's the note I had just added. So by doing it this way, what you do is you bring the conversation from email into ManageMate so that this information is available for future board members and managers, and so that you can work asynchronously instead of over email.